Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this neon outfits in DTI. So if you're ready to light up the runway and slay in style that glows after dark, this DTI tutorial we're going to diving into this neon core fashions that is bold, electric, and impossible to ignore. So this is the neon outfit that I created, and let me show you step by step. So for the skin tone, I'm using this black skin tone, and here for the makeup, I'm using this makeup set. You can choose any makeup that you want, but I'm using this one here. And first, I'm going to use this updo hair. Then I'm going to color it black and yellow, like this, and I'm going to combine it with this. Let's find this one, and I'm going to toggle it into only the bangs and use pink and black like this. Then you can also use this messy updo and color it pink and black. And lastly, go to the bangs category and use this bangs and color it blue like this. Okay, so when you're done with the hair, you can just go to the closet and find this item that you're going to use. Okay, first you're going to use this dress in here, but toggle it into only the sleeve, so on number 4, and change the color into blue like this and texture it neon so it will glow like this. And here go to the currency tab and use this dress, but toggle it into only the skirt, then color it black and pink. Don't forget to also change the texture into neon. Okay, so now let's move on and find another item to add. So here I'm going to use this top from this set in here, this one. The first color, make it black, and the rest of the color blue and yellow. Also make it neon. And now also the skirt. For the first layer, make it pink, second one yellow, and then blue. Neon, don't forget. And after this, I'm going to put on this shoe and change the first color into black and the second one blue. Only just make the second one neon, and the rest of them just leave it as it is. Sorry. Okay, third and 4 is pink. And now go to this rack in here and put on this hand warmer and make it yellow in neon. And put on this stocking and make it black, and the second one yellow in neon. Then here I'm going to also put on this skirt, the one in the bottom left corner, and make it neon in yellow color. And I'm going to put on this wing, make it blue and pink, and also make it neon. And this is it. Your neon outfit is done. So thank you so much for watching. So it's perfect for party themes, late night slayage, or just standing out with confidence. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more bold DTI outfit inspo. Bye!